everyone, I'm Kathleen Hansen, and you found my Vocal Warmups with Kathleen YouTube channel. One of the biggest issues facing many vocalists is improving the transition between registers, primarily head voice and chest voice, but also the transition into falsetto or whistle register. A lot of people refer to the range just above or below the head voice, chest voice transition or passaggio as mixed voice or mixed voice. I don't personally love that term pedagogically, but I can concede that some folks find it helpful. You can hear more about that in this video up here or in the links below. Either way, whether you call it mixed voice or transitioning through the vocal break or passaggio, there are things we can do to ease that transition between registers. And this video is full of vocal warm-ups and vocal exercises that will do just that. So let's get going. As always, take a moment to check in with your alignment and your breathing. If our instrument isn't physically set up well, we'll have much more trouble, so let's make it easy and get aligned. Then take a couple of low, relaxed breaths and sigh out. For this first vocal warm-up, let's jump in with a glide on V, like and go. Semi-occluded vocal tract exercises are incredible for working on register changes. So let's move to a lip trill, or a tongue trill, or a tongue roll. We can sing. Here we go. Great job. While we're working through vocal registers, we want to keep things vibrating efficiently with our vocal folds coming together completely. So now we're going to sing on E, A. This exercise is great for that efficiency that we're looking for. It sounds like this. E, A, and go. E, A. Great job. Now we're going to make some gentle creaky door sounds on E, like E. We'll just glide down like that. This will help the vocal folds to connect fully, and it's generally easier to make this transition while descending. Again, this doesn't need to be pretty. We're looking for efficiency with the vocal folds. And E. The other exercises that I love for working on the passaggio are limited range exercises that allow us to go back and forth between notes so that we can find that sweet spot. Let's start with he-ah, like he-ah, he-ah, he. Here we go. He-ah, he-ah, he. He-ah, he-ah, he. Naturally wants to find balance. So sometimes with a little bit of extra mindfulness, we can just give something a few tries, like free throw practice or swinging at pitches in the batting cage. When we do something well, note it and aim to do it again next time. With that, let's try the following exercise. We'll sing on do. I find that the O vowel helps balance the voice in between registers. Like do. Note the breath pattern. I'm taking a breath in between every set of two new notes. involve some switching between vowels with neo, mew, 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 mew. Here we go. Neo, mew, 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 mew. 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 As we prepare to cross our break while descending, we can have the sensation of singing slightly more engaged with each note so that the transition is seamless. We can sing zoo. I like to add a kinesthetic or visualization that we're singing from the top to the bottom of a 3D pyramid. Zoo. Getting more full as we descend. Here we go. Is largely about muscle memory. With this next exercise, we're going to focus on the sensation of making the transition from head voice to chest voice. And then we'll practice lightening on the way up. This is more about coordination and feel than it is about dynamics. The way our vocal folds engage with one another change as we cross registers. We'll sing the following. Notice the breath at the bottom. Your goal is to make the way up feel just like it did on the way down, but in reverse. Here we go. Moving a little bit faster now, we'll sing on gi, 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 like gi, 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 gi. Here we go. Gi, 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 gi. Gi, 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 gi. Gi, 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 gi. Gi, 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 gi. Gi, 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 gi. Arpeggios are also great for building coordination and flexibility through registers. Let's finish up with ni-ah, like ni-ah, and again, ni-ah, ni-ah, Thank you so much for singing with me today. Check out my latest news and announcements below, and I will see you next time. I can't play the piano like this. Say hi to the people, Sven. If you're gonna be here, you might as well make yourself useful.